In this introduction to GoodTimes, we will cover everything you need to immortalize your photos using a template. If you want to reproduce the steps while watching this video, click the grey button below. This will open the template window while keeping this one. You can always access this Tips and Tricks window from the Help menu. First, let's take a look at the included templates. We cover the most common topics like family, love, parties, vacations and more. By clicking or hovering a template, you can see a bigger preview with the description and the ratio of the template on the right side of the window. In this demonstration, we will be using our trip template. This includes photo placeholders for an emotional shot, a detail and 3 overviews. Additionally, it holds a space for a descriptive text. Let's open the selected theme. To make GoodTimes more fun to use, we recommend resizing the window to your convenience, or, like us, use it in full screen mode. Each placeholder shows an Add Your Photo button when hovered. Filling these placeholders with your own photos is step number 2. Simply click on the button in the center of a photo or double-click the photo itself. Now you can pick a photo from your photo library. To easily find the right spot for your photos, use the photo recommendations from our designers. These recommendations are below the Add Your Photo button. Using the right photo in the right spot helps you improve the impact of the theme. To add the photos even more quickly, you can use drag and drop. Sometimes an element does not work well with your photos. In our case, we have no more photos with sand on them, so the shell no longer makes any sense. Since themes are protected against accidental destruction, we need to unlock the shell element first and then delete it. You can also modify elements. The map on the lower left is focused on Australia, while our photos are from Nepal. We select the map with a single click and use the menu to enter Content Editing mode. Now we can move and zoom the map within its bounds. Finally, we fill in some text into the journal on the top left. Again, we click to select, then replace the text in the text panel and resize the text box. And we are done. In this third and final step, we want to use our result. In the export setting, you will find all the common mountain lion sharing options and many more. We would like to use this theme as desktop background to always remind ourselves of the good times we had. Here we are. Now you know the basics of GoodTimes. Of course, there is much more to discover as you immortalize the memories of your good times. Return to the Tips and Tricks window to learn more things you can do with GoodTimes.